Hello guys, Bonnie here and welcome to your 48 tutorial in jQuery. The other one was actually 47 and I said 48. Sorry about that guys, the confusion, I know. So in the previous tutorial we took a look at draggable and we introduced jQuery UI. So in this tutorial we are not going to take a lot of time. Actually we're going to look at what do you call it, dialog, which is going to take us a little bit of time here. So let's go ahead and instead of writing draggable, I'll just use the same code that we had earlier, and I'll say I will create a button here, and you know what, I'll just leave that as a paragraph, and I'll come down here and say button, yeah, and I'll give it a value of click, close the button, and I'll save that, and I'll come here and say button, and when the button is clicked we want a dialog to appear. Click and function, and I will come here and say I want paragraph to be in a dialog, so the p dot dialog. Alright, so dialog is another keyword, the second one that we are going to look at here. If I refresh the page and I click this, you see this dialog that appears in the middle of the page. This is a dialog in jQuery. It can be dragged around, it can be resized. Now if you do not want to do none of that, you'll just come and say you take some quick parameters inside of it. You put the color brackets in it, and let's say you do not want it to be moved around, you just say draggable, and come here and say false. Alright, so if I refresh the page, click this button, I cannot move it around like I did earlier. And you can also put a comma here and say like for example here, I can resize it, I can decrease it, increase the size. As you can see, I can also come here and say resizable, correct. I'll say false. Oh my god, I can't type today. I'll say false, and I'll save that. I'll refresh the page, and I'll click this button. I probably didn't type something right. Resizable. Something's wrong. Draggable. Resizable. Alright, let me see this problem in a minute. Okay, I know the problem. This is not E. See, the misspelling is resizable. I don't know if that's right though, but let's see if it works. I just googled it right now, and it happened to work fine, so it's supposed to be that. Now you can also change the width of this. You can also come say width to be I guess 100 pixels, and height as well. It can change a lot of stuff in here. So when I click it, something happened. Width is supposed to be in color, in comments, in whatever quotation marks, and when I click it, the width has been resized to 100. And you can, to close the button, you just simply click on escape, or you can click on this close button. So if you don't want that to happen, you just say close on escape and write false. Just right here, close on escape and just write false. And you basically can do a lot of stuff with dialog. So just search around the internet if you want to like position this stuff. Just use some CSS and stuff like that. Remove the headers, but we'll come into that later. But that's just a basic introduction of the dialog. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you had a fantastic time. And I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and share this video. Thanks again.